Hong Kong, 1 out of 5 community dwelling, elderlies always have some form of cognitive impairment. And here's the thing, most of them don't get diagnosed early enough. And even when they do, there is actually very little thing they can do at home. So, we built this. WiseTonePro, WiseTonePro. It looks like a radio, and that's on purpose. We originally designed it just to teach elderly people basic digital skills. Voice guidance, LED cues, step-by-step audio instructions, simple, familiar, and non-threatening. But then something unexpected happened. During our field testing, elderly users with serious memory problems, even early-stage dementia, started showing real cognitive improvement. They were replaying the audio on their own and they were recording steps. Some of them even memorized the entire recording word for word. We never designed this as a cognitive training device, but somehow it was working like one. And all that was a year and a half ago. Since then, we have run 6 workshops, gone through 8 device iterations, served over 100 elderly users, and partnered with 5 organizations. This isn't a concept. It's real and it's working. So now we're building version 3.0. The vision is this. The device becomes an always listening AI companion. It collects interaction data, voice patterns, response times, engagement levels, and algorithm detects patterns. Is this person at risk of dropping out? Are they ready for the next level? Then it acts. It adjusts the difficulty automatically. It sends alert to the care staff, it gives the family a progress update, and it generates personalized action plans, and every outcome feeds back to the algorithm, so the device gets smarter over time. We are turning a radio into a cognitive health platform, and we believe that this little radio can actually help improve cognitive function in elderly with dementia. But believing isn't enough.
So we designed a research framework. We go to elderly's homes not once, but repeatedly. Structured observation, tracking how often they used the device on their own, whether they record content across sessions, how their behavior changed over weeks. The pattern was clear. That wasn't a one-off. It repeated across users, across cohorts. The device was working and we had evidence. But that raised a deeper question. If the brain is improving, why?
Because sound reaches part of the brain that almost nothing else can. Auditory memory is one of the last functions to degenerate in dementia. Even when elderly forgets names and faces, they can still recall sound and audio patterns. That's what WiseTonePro taps into. Everything is delivered through audio, repetitions, voice guidance, familiar format.
And this is where AI takes it further. Right now, the device plays the same content for everyone. But what if it could listen back, check how each person responds, detect when someone's struggling, and adapt in real time? That's version 3.0, an AI that learns each user individually, adjusting difficulty, alerting caregivers, and building a personalized recovery path. We are turning one device into 1,000 different therapies.
1 in 5 elderly in Hong Kong are losing their minds quietly.
We built something that listens back.
And we know why it works.
And now we are teaching it to learn.
This is
This is
WiseTonePro.